Welcome back to another adventure ride with Arctic Jeff. Today we have Murray on the BMW 850 GSA, Duncan on the KTM 890 Adventure R, and myself on the KLR 650C. And we're doing the new Ride the Highlands gravel crusher loop. Please stick around to see some highlights from our ride.
All right. Am I leading? I guess I'm leading.
We can change it up later.
Yeah. Gotta close all the vents in my helmet and try to cut down all the air coming in because it was cold.
Oh yeah.
Got my thicker clothes on this morning. thicker jacket, thicker pants.
Oh, I'm gonna be behind Mr. Rooster Tail too.
Wow, there you go.
We start this gravel ride close to home in Tamworth, Ontario. From here we head west towards Marmora, which is our first pit stop of the day.
Finally gravel. Oh, truck up here. Building the house. Or he was stealing from it.
Ernie and I were up here. We came up that same road there along here.
Well, we came along this road, but the opposite direction.
Oh yeah?
Remember we were coming back? We stopped in that tweet that time? Oh, there's a truck here. Yeah, remember we stopped in that tweet that day, we did that little water adventure up in Coyne?
Yeah.
And we came back this way.
Okay.
In fact, I'll probably post a link to the video right up here.
Oh yeah, I remember this spot. Emma Lake Road.
Interesting comment, that our buddy there, Breath of Adventure, was making about how when you're riding in some of these areas, people aren't used to the bikes.
Yeah. Pretty good point, right?
Yeah, and I mean, like, for stuff like this, it wouldn't be bad. It's just where, yeah, if you're riding, like, right-of-ways and stuff where they're not used to seeing bikes.
Yeah.
I could get that.
ABS just kicked in. That's the first time I felt that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, it was telling us to take that road back there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we got to turn around.
The road or the trail?
The road, I think it's like a cottage road.
Nothing coming behind us.
Okay. Yeah, that's strange.
trail, right?
Yeah, that's where it wants us to go.
Okay.
I don't know, man. I feel like, because I switched this to bicycle mode, it's around with us.
I hope there's a bridge or something up here.
I think it skirts the lake.
Yeah.
But this is really wide. I feel like maybe it's used as a road?
Maybe.
The cottages, maybe? I don't know.
It looks pretty well traveled.
Yeah. Oh, there's the dog walking here. More dog walkers.
There's definitely vehicle traffic on this.
Well, there was at least two our cottages back there, I guess.
Yeah.
There's somebody else walking up here too. Or jogging, I guess. Oh, this must be the same rail bed that goes over to Charlotte Lake, right? Because this is Trans-Canada Trail. I'm pretty sure that's the same one.
I don't know if this is the one that goes to Sherbert Lake or connects to it. If we were to keep going this way, I think it goes all the way down to Belleville, right?
Yeah. There's your bridge.
Yeah. Can't see shit.
Sunday morning traffic. Oh shit.
What? This turn?
No, I dragged. I think we gotta go left up here. I hate when I do that. We gotta stop here for a sec. Okay, so remember this. So we're gonna go on Old Marmora.
Yeah.
And when we get to the end, the KOA, we have to go right. And then we're going to take Highway 7 for a little bit and then turn on to Marmora Mine Road. This must be the KOA road.
Yep.
Okay. I'm going to go right. Oh, big trailer. KOA is the other way. Okay. Clear on the left. Clear on the right.
That's a first.
For Highway 7?
Yeah.
On a holiday Monday. What's going on? Apparently it's right here. Miners. Oh, there it is.
Smells good.
Do not block driveway.
There, park in front of this white car.
Over there? Yeah. Duncan's on your right.